Hey guys, how's it going? Paul here with Eastwind SEO. I just wanted to make you guys a short video showing you how to improve your online presence with backlinks, citations, and content. I went ahead and I did a Google search for a painter in Sarasota, and the first thing that's going to pop up here is your ads. This is definitely a good way to get some clients in if you know how to run a good Google ad campaign. After that, you're going to see these three Google business profiles pop up. This is called the Google Map Pack. This is definitely where you want to be in this top three because right off the bat, most of the people that do a search for a particular item or service, they don't go past this. They see these top three, they're going to get the business. The rest of the people will scroll down, but most of the people are going to stop right here, and these account for a lot of business done online. And the way to get into this top three section is with citations. So that's going to be your business name, address, phone number, and all that information from your Google business profile filled out as much as possible, put into local directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, anything like that. There's tons of directories out there that you can put your name into. The more you have your name in, the better it is. The better chance it is for you guys to move up and be showing on this top three map pack right here. So after that is going to be the local search results. And right off the bat here, you're seeing a bunch of directories. These are all directories right here. And if we go down, I think I checked this painting Sarasota. It didn't want to load for me. It's doing it again. So if we go down a little more, Certa Pro is a big franchise. This Jeff Schultz painting, we'll take a look at them. Since I did look for you guys' website, I did not see it. So we're just going to go ahead and do an audit on another website. So right off the bat, he's got a nice video, that hits you. It's a good website. He's got pictures. He's got his click the call button right up here, always a good thing. He's got his social buttons. I don't think he has a form. It's probably down at the bottom. It's good to have a click to call form to fill out somewhere up off the top where it hits you when people search for it. And that way they can get in contact with you through, email or something like that immediately if they don't want to, call you. Or if it's late or something, you guys are closed and you can just get it the next day. But as we move on, they do have some content, which is good. So content, Google loves content. That's definitely something you need on a website. 1,500 words or more is the recommended amount for Google, because what they're going to do is send crawlers through, and they're going to crawl your website, and they're going to go through all that content, and they want to look and see all of the services you do, locations you serve, all that kind of relevant stuff to your business, and that is something they're going to see as you being a legit business, you being an expert in your field of work, and that's going to help you rank up to that first page of Google a lot faster. So if we take their name, and I'm going to copy it, I'm going to put it into a tool I use called Ahrefs, and this helps me check out a website and see how they're performing and all that stuff. You're going to see here, you're going to see a lot of information, but the important stuff is up here at the top. This UR and DR rating is very important. This is UR is a trust rating, and a DR is a power rating, and how much power your website is getting in Google's eyes. And the way that you can improve all these is with backlinks. So backlinks are going to be any link coming back to your website from another website. It's basically a shout out coming from another website or a comment blog or something like that. It'll, like an example is if a comment blog, someone's talking about your business and they say, hey, these guys are awesome. They do really good work. I'll go check them out. Here's a link or a button and they'll click it and it will link right back to your website. And that's a backlink. You definitely want to get relevant backlinks. The more relevant backlinks leading back to your website that you get is going to bring you more trust and power in Google's eyes, and that is in turn going to help rank your website up to that front page a lot quicker. And here's all the organic keywords that we're talking about. They have 476 keywords, which is a good amount. As you can see, Jeff Schultz painting, they have volume 60. That's how many potential customers are going to their website on a monthly basis. So you go down the list, you see a lot of numbers, and all these numbers add up. So the more relevant keywords you have on your website, it's going to add to a lot more traffic coming through, which in turn it's going to create more possible customers and create more revenue for you guys. And that's pretty much about it. So in the end, you want to try and get a decent website with a good amount of content, with keyword rich content that's going to help you rank up to the front page of Google. You want to get your GMP optimized and get your name into as many directories out there as you can. And you're going to want to get some powerful, relevant backlinks, and all that together is going to create more volume to your website and obviously create more business for you guys. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to just reach out to me. Here's my contact info. It'll also be in the email that I'm going to send you. I do thank you for your time that you took out of your day to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.